There's a lot of these companies that'd be happy to sell you software, but Limble is also happy to help you with that software.
We knew that we were ready for a big switch, and that went really, really seamlessly. To have the Limble customer success team help us and aid us through, it was invaluable. It's not an added cost, it's built in with the pricing. We wouldn't have been able to have implemented as seamlessly as we did.
Once we pulled the trigger with Limble, we were able to move from decision to implementation very, very quickly and start seeing results almost immediately.
Everything from the customer service to having the ease of that implementation process was really enjoyable.
Even if I have a technical issue, they're probably emailing me back right away. If I ever have a problem, I know it's going to be resolved within less than 5 minutes.
The support has been great. It's one of the strongest points Limble has to offer. I would thank the Limble team for the support they've given us. Without them, we would not be where we were today. The Limble platform has made my life easier.